Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable zoom controls, meaning that you can display the plus and minus buttons to manually change the map zoom levels, and second and 3D button to change the display on the Sygic 3D on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the application on your phone. And then go to your home page and click on this menu icon that you can find in the upper left corner. Tap on settings, which is the third button. And now click on route planning and navigation at the top. After that, you should scroll down a bit until you can find this zoom controls section. So here, if you tap on this button that can be found on the right side next to the zoom controls title, you will be able to turn it off, meaning that the plus and minus icons will be displayed to manually change map zoom levels, and 3D button to change the display. So if you would like to disable this feature, just simply click on the same button. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.